Hello crafters, Trisa from Anjurisa here. Today we are making a stunning satin pink hair bow with gorgeous tails. If you love making bows and want unique designs, check out my Etsy for exclusive patterns. Let's get started. You'll need a medium piece of fabric for the bow, a larger piece for the beautiful tails, a small piece of fabric for the center, a hair accessories of your choice. You will also need some additional supplies such as fabric marker and ruler, also a glue gun to attach the accessories. To create the bow, fold your fabric in half with the right sides together. Then sew a straight line along the edge. Press the seam open to reduce bulkiness. Turn the fabric inside out and press it flat. Now fold the fabric in half and press the center to create a visible folding line. Fold both sides toward the folding line and sew this part using either a straight stitch or a zigzag stitch. Now that the bow is finished, let's move on to the next step. Crafting the beautiful tails. Fold the fabric with the right sides together. Measure 1.5 inch on the lower left and right side. Then draw a line connecting these marks to the opposite top corners. Fold the fabric in half and use your fabric marker to mark the center. This mark will indicate where we will leave an opening to turn the fabric inside out later. Sew along the lines. After sewing, trim the fabric about ½ inch from the sewing line. Remember to trim the corners to make sure the fabric stays flat after turning. This bow looks fantastic in satin, but you can customize it with any fabric that suits your style. Let your creativity flow. Choose any fabric to make this bow your own. Turn the fabric through the opening in the center. You may need to use something pointy like a chopstick or a brush to gently push out any corners. If you enjoyed this tutorial, subscribe for more DIY projects and turn on notifications. If you have any questions or if there's a bow design you can't find, let me know in the comments. I'll do my best to respond, even if using shorts. Press the whole fabric flat. Remember, pressing is key to every sewing project. So always make sure the fabric is nice and flat. Fold the fabric into 1/3, creating a few layers. And press it again. Okay, I know that making the beautiful tails requires a lot of pressing, but trust me, it's worth the effort. Fold it in half and press the center to create another folding line. Sew exactly on the line to secure the layers. Now that the tails are finished, let's move on to the next step. Shaping the bow. Grab the bow we made earlier. Use a needle and thread to sew a few stitches through the center of the bow. As you sew, gently pull the thread to gather the fabric and create your desired bow shape. Then tie the thread securely to hold the bow in place. Last step, finishing. I'm using this bow as a hair clip, so I will attach the hair clip to the back side of the bow. To finish the bow, fold the fabric towards the center, then fold it in half and press it. Attach this to the center of the bow. Then sew this part for the last time. Trim the excess fabric. Then flip the fabric over. And that's it! Our stunning bow is finished. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!